Oh yeah, I'll handle this. Now on this, if I need to stop or anything, where's your
Oh, this is up to
zoom
that. And stop is right here. But
okay,
you're not getting that.
I got it.
Hey.
Renee, hey, I'm out in Chino Hills right now. Let me hit you back. All right. Hello.
I want to create the LinkedIn accounts. Is that okay? Well, the executives. Create for all the executives, and then I'll take 1,000 LED professionals from each industry and give each person 1,000 links. And then like it could be anyone, like hospital executives or whatever, and they just do you guys want to handle that first, or should I have a call center live chats to your mobile phones from LinkedIn? So what happens is
maybe me and my sister.
okay. So just set up those two.
Actually, maybe it should be me.
Okay.
I should be the one to do this.
Okay, I can have a call center do it. The middleman.
I never have. And if they need like second level information, so hey, we'll have something else.
Yeah, because we can just treat it like a little. You guys have pictures? We have those shots.
We don't have any of that, but I'm sure we can take them.
So one of those sites should be up by now in the middle position already. 33